My daddy, my daddy. Blessed be the God of David. He teaches my hand for all. And my fingers. Blessed be God. I know that no matter how much I try, I can never sound like this man of God. I will tell you one of Minister Lawrence Oyor's secrets. When he was in Abeokuta with us, in the middle of the night, he was sleeping. I like praying in the middle of the night, so I don't like sleeping. I pray to sleep many times. I fly 12 hours to America, and my eyes are wide awake all through the journey. Everybody around me, they know that by now. So many times inside the plane, I read books and I pray. And then I get to know the latest film. Because after praying for 6 hours, I just want to do something else. So I try to look for which book, which film. So I count all of them. Now inside plane, I see them. I can't sit in my office and watch a movie. But when I'm inside the plane, just to get to the other side, I start thinking of what to do. So in the night, I got up and I went to the front of his room. Don't mind me. And for those who are watching me, you are still on the road coming. I'm sorry that instead of 5, we started 4:30. We are so sorry. Join us, keep coming. And let me say, thank you for those of us that are here and those who are still coming. I can still see many people just trooping. Listen. Tomorrow, both morning and evening, we want to be sure that by evening, no space anywhere. And we're going to use the overflow tomorrow. There is a way. This is not our first. This is our first time, and it's a very big first. It's wonderful. But listen to me. All HOD. Somebody said this place fits HOD. Don't let Reverend Sam catch me. Listen. I know some work on the island. Right now, Tomiland is closed. Coming from work there is difficult. So they are streaming in Lekki right now. But tomorrow, do all you can to close early to be here. Saturday, of course, in all our meetings, we usually have almost double Saturday and Sunday. So midway people go to work and some find it difficult to come from the island and everything. But I just want to plead with everybody. If you are coming, keep coming. But tomorrow, morning and evening, wherever you are, if you work on the island or you work in a very far place in Lagos, beg your boss. So be a very good boy or girl from morning till 12. Be very good. Do what you have to do and what you are not asked to do. So that by 12:30 you ask for permission and it shall be granted. One of Minister Lawrence Oyor's secrets. So in the night I got up and I went to the front of his room. Don't mind me. I have capacity for a lot of mischiefs, but you don't know. All the leaders, they know and everything. So I was trying to listen. And he was playing his own confession of faith. Loud with worship while sleeping. So I stood there for a while. It was so loud that the next room could hear. I am of God. Imagine you sleeping and that is what you are hearing. There is no devil. There's no possibility of a bad dream. Bad dreams begin when you play blues before going to bed. Now, don't let somebody quote me like it's not a doctrine. And if you do, that's your own business. We are just having a good time here. Hallelujah. What a privilege this evening. Now, today's meeting is a little different because we are going to start with the word and we're going to end in worship. Okay? You know, the normal thing is for a worship minister. So the order will be reversed tonight. We are going to be blessed. And if he wants to sing worship, no problem. But somewhere along the line, Minister Dose will come in also. And it will be... That was what we did in Abeokuta actually. Minister Dose minister last. Pastor Nat minister last. And Victor Renz minister last. What a privilege this evening. Are you ready to receive this? This is a great honor to have this servant of God here. We are never tired of listening to him and being blessed by his ministration. All the way from the city of Ibadan, or should I say from the rest of the world, because he's all over. He might not like the title an apostle, but he's an apostle. He's an evangelist. He's a psalmist. That when you are an apostle, you are actually many things in one. So, Today, whether you like it or not, that's the way I've chosen to introduce you. You might not like me after that. Let's welcome Apostle Lawrence Oyor this evening. Somebody give God praise.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So how much time, sir?